Hello. Today I'm going to answer a question It says, in your experience, what does a person need to do in order to get better? Well, you need to do the work. You need to use the tools that I teach. If you're working with me, you need to use the tools on a daily basis until you get better. The other thing is, you need to be open to change, to the transformation. For example, if you are getting something for what you have, it's more than likely you are not open to receiving the new change because you're getting a benefit out of it. Maybe you've been in pain and you got disability and now you're getting paid for being in pain. So it's going to be hard for you to let go of that pain since it's maybe paying your rent, your mortgage. So you need to be open to letting go, to the transformation. Because once you release the pain, there's a transformation through your entire life. Now you're able to enjoy more things, you're able to do more things. But then, like I said, if you're getting a benefit from it, there's the transformation to do. Maybe you have to go to work. And you know how hard it is to get back to work once you've been out of the market for a while. And that creates fear of the new transformation, fear of what you're going to have to do in order to get the money that you were getting from somewhere else. So what do you need to do? You need to do the work. You need to be open to the change. Everything is change. Everything is always changing. And you need to explore, do I really want this? People might say, wow, of course I want to be out of pain. That is the logical thinking. The subconscious thinking is, if I'm no longer in pain, I'm not going to get paid. I'm not going to get the disability. How am I going to survive? So we need to work on the fear. We need to work on that worthiness. We need to work on the pain. And with that, have a great day.